Hi, boys and girls. Our book for today is Duck on a Bike. One day down on the farm, Duck got a wild idea. I bet I could ride a bike, he thought. He waddled over to where the boy parked his bike, climbed on, and began to ride. At first, he rode very slowly, and he wobbled a lot, but it was fun. Duck rode past Cow and waved to her. "Hello, Cow," said Duck. "Moo," said Cow, but what she thought was, "A duck on a bike? That's the silliest thing I've ever seen." Then Duck rode past Sheep. "Hello, Sheep," said Duck. "Baa," said Sheep, but what she thought was, "He's going to hurt himself if he's not careful." Duck was riding better now. He rode past Dog. "Hello, Dog," said Duck. "Woof," said Dog, but what he thought was, "That is a mighty neat trick." Then Duck rode past Cat. "Hello, Cat," said Duck. "Meow," said Cat, but what she thought was, "I wouldn't waste my time riding a bike." Duck pedaled a little faster. He rode past Horse. "Hello, Horse," said Duck. "Neigh," said Horse, but what he thought was, "You're still not as fast as me, Duck." Duck rang the bell as he rode toward Chicken. "Hello, Chicken," said Duck. "Cluck, cluck," said Chicken, but what she thought was, "Watch where you're going, Duck." Then Duck rode past Goat. "Hello, Goat," said Duck. "Meh," said Goat, but what he thought was, "I'd like to eat that bike." Duck stood on the seat and rode past Pig and Pig. "Hello, Pigs," said Duck. "Oink," said Pig and Pig, but what they thought was, "Duck is such a show-off." Then Duck rode no hands past Mouse. "Hello, Mouse," said Duck. "Squeak," said Mouse, but what he thought was, "I wish I could ride a bike just like Duck." Suddenly, a whole bunch of kids came down the road on bikes. They were in such a hurry that they didn't see Duck. They parked their bikes by the house and went inside. Now all the animals had bikes. They rode around and around the barnyard. "This is fun," they all said. "Good idea, Duck." They then put their bikes back by the house, and no one knew that on that afternoon there had been a cow, a sheep, a dog, a cat, a horse, a chicken, a goat, 2 pigs, a mouse, and a duck on a bike. And that is the end. So now I want you boys and girls to think about all the farm animals that had been in the book. So all the different characters. And if you could be one of the characters, who would you be and why? Let us all know.